Watch this video before you pour chemical drain cleaners down your drain. It looks harmless, but does more damage than most people realize. Here's how. What's really in that bottle? Chemical drain cleaners don't clean drains. They attack them. Most cleaners contain corrosive chemicals like sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide, which generate heat upon reaction with water and organic material. That heat helps dissolve hair and grease near the surface, but it doesn't know the difference between a clog and your pipes. And if the clog doesn't clear, that chemical just sits there cooking the pipe from the inside. Why pipes fail quietly? At Superior Plumbing, we've seen many homeowners using these harsh drain chemicals on their delicate pipes. Consistent use of these chemicals slowly thins pipe walls, weakens joints, and even breaks down older PVC glue. If you have an older house construction, you probably have cast iron pipes, which are even more vulnerable. Your home won't flood immediately, but it will have several micro cracks, slow leaks, and hidden corrosion, waiting to wreak havoc. A better practice is to prevent clogs through regular maintenance, strainers, and hot water flushing. However, if you have a clog, then use other methods or consult a professional plumbing service to get it removed safely. When it works, and when it doesn't. Now, it doesn't mean chemical drain cleaners are all bad. They have their uses in place. They can sometimes clear soft, shallow clogs, hair, soap residue, and even small grease build near the drain opening. However, they don't fix deeper problems, such as grease buildup down the line, hard water buildup, and obstructions. That's why the clogs come back. When you use a chemical drain cleaner, it pushes the blockages down instead of clearing them. It never fixed the entire problem, but only a small portion of it. What actually works? So what should you use instead? The easiest and safest alternatives to chemical drain cleaners are mechanical tools like plungers and drain snakes, which physically remove the clog rather than pushing it down. If that doesn't work, then you could call hydrojetting or professional cleaning services for the best results. So have you observed anything strange after using your drain cleaner? Comment below.